Hello everyone! We are going to start learning the sixth unit, Planet Earth. And today we'll talk about geographical features and the environment. Open your books at page 70, and at first let's learn some new words which are in boxes of exercises 1 and 4.
Geographical features.
Beach,
Пляж,
desert,
пустеля,
forest,
ліс,
ice caps,
крижана шапка,
island,
острів,
jungle,
джунглі,
rainforest,
тропічний ліс,
lake,
озеро,
mountain,
гора,
mountain range,
гірський хребет,
ocean,
океан,
sea,
море,
river,
річка,
valley,
долина,
cave,
печера,
cliff,
скеля,
coast,
узбережжя,
glacier,
льодовик,
hill,
пагорб,
waterfall,
водоспад,
stream,
струмок,
The environment.
drought,
засуха,
flood,
повінь,
global warming,
глобальне потепління,
The greenhouse effect.
парниковий ефект,
Melt.
розтанути,
Nuclear. Disaster.
ядерна катастрофа,
Oil spill.
нафтова пляма,
Ozone layer.
озоновий шар,
Pollution.
забруднення,
recycle,
переробляти,
save,
зберігати,
waste,
марнувати, переводити,
carbon emissions.
викиди вуглекислого газу. So now let's do exercise 4 at page 70. Match the definitions with some of the words in the box. In the box, there are more words than you need. Please pause the video, do this task, and then we'll check it. If you are ready, let's check. Number 1. When heat cannot escape from the atmosphere and the temperature on Earth goes up, it is greenhouse effect. Коли тепло не може вийти з атмосфери і температура на Землі підвищується, це парниковий ефект. 2. When ice turns to water. Melt. Коли лід перетворюється на воду, він тає. 3. A long period of time when there is no rain, it is drought. Коли тривалий період часу немає дощу, це засуха. 4. The part of the Earth's atmosphere which protects the Earth from the sun. Ozone layer. Частина земної атмосфери, яка захищає Землю від сонця. Це озоновий шар. 5. The process of making the air, water or land worse with chemicals, for example. Pollution. Процес погіршення стану повітря, води чи землі, спричинений, наприклад, хімікатами. Це забруднення. 6. A large quantity of water that suddenly covers an area. Flood. Велика кількість води, яка раптово покриває територію. Це повінь. 7. The increase in the temperature on Earth. Global warming. Підвищення температури на Землі, глобальне потепління. 8. An accident with nuclear power usually causing radioactivity. Nuclear disaster. Аварія на атомній електростанції, яка зазвичай спричиняє радіоактивність, це ядерна катастрофа. 9. An accident when oil comes out of its container, for example, at sea. Oil spill. Нещасний випадок, коли нафта витікає з контейнера, наприклад, у море, і утворюється нафтова пляма. So now let's do exercise 6. Let's listen to 4 descriptions of environmental problems and match each description to a photo. In the audio, there are some new words, so let's look at them. Sort out rubbish. To get rid of things you don't need. Bin, a container for putting rubbish in. Ultraviolet radiation. Rays from the sun that are harmful for humans. So let's listen and do exercise number 6.
Unit 6, Vocabulary, Exercise 6. 1.
Isn't it terrible what's happening in the village?
I know. It started raining on Sunday and it just hasn't stopped for days.
Yeah, and with all that water, lots of people are leaving their homes. It's just too dangerous to stay there.
Yeah, and have you seen how the water just carries away all the cars? Scary. Really scary.
2.
OK, and what's this? Well, it's a region of the upper atmosphere between about 15 and 30 kilometres in altitude. It has quite a lot of ozone, and the ozone absorbs the sun's ultraviolet radiation. But the big problem is the hole right here, over the Antarctic and the Arctic. This hole is caused by CFC gases and other gases.
3.
Well, it's stupid, isn't it?
I know. They always tell us to sort our rubbish and to recycle it, but then they don't give us anywhere to put bottles and glass.
That's right. And in the end, there's no alternative. You have to put all the rubbish in the same bin.
4.
It's so hot today, though, isn't it?
Certainly is. They say it's the hottest day of the year. Well, no, not of the year. The hottest day in the last 10 years.
And they say it's going to get hotter.
One day, this is all just going to be desert. Believe me.
Okay, so now let's check. Conversation number 1, this is picture B. Conversation 2, picture C. Conversation 3, picture A. And conversation 4, picture D. So now let's answer some questions. Are people concerned about the environmental problems in your country? Try to give an answer. So please pause the video and answer the question. If you're ready, let's look at some example.
Well, it's hard to say for sure. I think some people are concerned, but probably not enough of them. There are people who take environmental problems seriously enough to actually recycle their rubbish appropriately, but I don't think there are enough people who concern themselves with resource depletion, which I consider to be a pressing issue. So many people are using energy and buying products without any thought to the impact of their actions. We all know that the world's resources are being used at an alarming rate, but no one seems to actually feel it's their responsibility to change the way they live. So I guess, although there are some people who are concerned, it's not enough, and more people in my country need to change the way they live.
Okay, and one more question. Do you and your family take steps to help the environment? Pause the video and answer this question. If you're ready, let's listen to the example. My parents have always tried to make us aware of our impact on the environment. They're really into energy conservation and always try to buy environmentally friendly products if they have the chance. So your home task for the next time will be to learn new words and do exercises in your workbook at page 48. Thank you for your attention. Our lesson is over. Goodbye.